pouring her heart out to me. I mean, her grandmother, her father, I don't know, yada, 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 whatever it was about. Huge turn off. And then I told her, you can't rewrite the past, but you can change the ending. And she looked at me like I gave her the fucking Holy Grail
And this
itself.
was last summer, or?
Well, we don't need to get bogged down in the details.
Or the truth, for that matter.
Anyway, Olive, is she bringing that same exhaustingly boorish man again?
Oh, haven't you heard? They've broken up.
She has this new thing. You know what she's like.
Fresh blood, eh? Lovely wine.
We picked it up from an old vineyard last summer.
French.
Italian.
You couldn't tell. It's very sweet. And in a flute, no less. Very unconventional, Damien.
Best behaviour, okay?
Oh, hello. Lovely to meet you. Olive, you could have told us you were bringing somebody so adorable.
Should be for real.
Be nice. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name earlier.
That's okay. I'm Ali.
Well, it's lovely to have you with us tonight.
In our house. Alright, ladies, gentlemen, and for our first course we have Merlot soaked radish and carrot spheres accompanied with a French pea puree. Bon appetit.
Olive, I'm sure we're all wondering, how did you two lovebirds meet?
Well, so do you remember this time when all I wanted was to eat really good pancakes and I found this fantastic little hole in the wall downtown? It was perfect. And I asked to meet the chef. There was Ali. You must know that feeling quite right, Kitty.
Like the back of my hand. Excuse me.
Doesn't sound like happily ever after to me.
Do you need a hand? What should I do?
Cut the carrots.
But could I not just...
Cut the carrots.
Was this a good idea? Like, maybe I should just...
Just cut the fucking carrots.
And for our main event, we have a mange tout and parsnip array.
Yes, we get it.
Damien, I love what you've done with this dish. Ah, very well put together. It reminds me of a little piece you wrote about, what was it, Goliath Bank? Tell me, where do you pluck these fantastical sources from?
My sources are confidential. You know that. But I can tell you that it's not difficult to find a rat in the sewer.
Oh, that's rich, especially considering the whole, oh, what was it? The death of journalistic integrity.
Hey, Kitty, I didn't have the chance to ask you, but did you like the piece I did last month for your retreat?
Oh, yes, I thought it was actually very lovely. Everyone seemed to really like it.
Oh, that's fantastic. I'm so glad. It's just that you didn't say anything to me or you
Oh, yes, sorry. I am getting to that. It's just I've
Okay,
been...
yeah, sure. Of course. It's just that it took quite a lot of my time and
Something wrong with your food,
I
Ali?
told you where the money's at. It's in AI.
you don't take it as seriously as I do.
And could you take the brownies out of the oven, please?
I will. Where have we gone wrong as a society where we're losing our souls to these terrible
Damien,
fashions?
please.
Okay.
I do respect your job.
Why isn't it eating anything?
Look at the scoreboard, mate.
Damien,
I think it's just fair if I can just get the same.
shall I go and make something bespoke for you now, should I? Yes, would that make you happy? Would that make everyone happy?
Now, for something sweet to finish the evening, we have here a 100...
Tell me, does he self-editorialise like this in the bedroom too?
Enough, Maxwell.
Seriously, do you not have to give him notes or...
Enough.
Because, well, if he fucks like he writes...
Enough.
Is there a problem?
No, mate, just a bit of friendly chatter.
Do you mind repeating this friendly chatter?
Repeat what? What do you think you heard?
I want to hear that comment you made to my woman.
Your woman.
I really think we all need to calm down.
Cut the bullshit. What did you say?
Guys.
It's not my fault that she's not getting it as good as she wants it.
Your woman.
She gets it better from me than she would ever get it from you.
Well, not as far as I can see.
And what can you see?
A weak, pathetic, little...
Damien and I have broken up.
Saw it coming.
Fuck you pompous little shit.
Investigative journalist who couldn't even figure out that his wife
Don't
was
you
leaving him.
dare talk about my marriage. I mean, I especially don't want to hear it from someone like you.
I know the feeling.
What was that? Is this about your piece again? Do you know what? Enough. I've had enough. I'm just gonna get some air.
Wait.
I just need to live.
You know what they say? Toodle pip.